Oh, you are having issues with your pilot light. Me too. Let's replace our thermocouple. Turn the gas off. And I'm going to turn it to off at the regulator. Off. Expose the burner chamber. Detach the burner cover. And detach all 4 parts of the pilot light assembly. Remove the pilot light assembly and the burner from the base. Debris on the burner is common and should be vacuumed out and removed. This is the pilot light assembly. And this line is the part that I'm replacing the thermocouple. Remove the securing tab. Remove the old thermocouple from its fitting. Slide it out of the assembly. For most water heaters, you can just replace the old thermocouple with a new thermocouple. Here's my new universal thermocouple, which cost me about 25 bucks at a big box store. Set the new thermocouple in the original fitting. If you have a Richmond or a Rheem manufactured water heater like I do, most likely you're going to have to buy an entire new pilot light assembly because that gasket that I just destroyed is not reusable. 5 days, you guys. 5 days! We are going to be without hot water for 5 days because of this part right here! And I can't put it back on because I broke it. Got the part in the mail. So this mistake is about to be remedied with the new gasket. We knew we were going to need to replace that. All right, we took off the old piece and we're going to put the new one on. Here's the new piece. A lot of you commented that, like, yeah, I didn't really need to replace this part in order to make it run again, but I don't really like doing things twice. So here's the finished, replaced pilot light assembly. And you want to pay attention to this part because there's a clip inside that you want to attach it to make sure it sets right. I did that! I did that! I did that! I changed out my pilot light assembly and I saved myself a bunch of money! It did not solve the problem. So if you're like me and the pilot light was not the problem, watch the next video on how to change a gas valve.